Welcome back to our channel. Today, let me teach you on how to copy and paste on PC and laptop windows. There are two methods you can use to copy and paste a text or file, then paste it on another window or on a Word document. Now, let's do an example. Let's say we want to copy a text on your web browser. Highlight the text by holding the left click on your mouse, and then drag it until you reach the end of the text or the part that you want to copy. Next, right-click on your mouse, then select Copy in the pop-up menu. Now you can go over to another window where you want to paste the text, for example in a Word document. And here, right-click on your mouse, then select the Paste option in the menu. There, the text has been pasted on a Word. Now for the second method, you can simply use your keyboard shortcut. First, highlight the text or the file that you want, then hit Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy it on the clipboard. Then go to the window where you want to paste it, then hit Ctrl plus V on your keyboard to paste it. That's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.